In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage your website files using Hostinger's hPanel. If you're new to this or just need a refresher, don't worry. We'll walk through each step together in a straightforward manner, ensuring you understand how to efficiently navigate and reach your website files for any necessary edits or updates. First off, to begin this process, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and head over to the hPanel login page at hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you've arrived there, input your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password or are having any trouble, Hostinger provides an easy password recovery process, so don't sweat it. Just follow the prompts to regain access. Once logged in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll want to look for and click on the section labeled Websites. This is the hub where all your hosted domains are listed, and it's from here that we'll access the specific website you wish to manage. Now, find the website you're planning to work with from the list provided. You'll see an option next to your website named Dashboard. Give it a click. This will direct you into a more detailed overview and management area for your chosen website. In the dashboard, our next task is to navigate to the File Manager. This is crucial as it directly opens up the files that make up your website, which are generally housed in what is called the public HTML folder. To get to the File Manager, either scroll through the dashboard content or look towards the left-hand menu again, then click on Files. You'll be presented with the option File Manager. A click here will open up a new tab or panel specifically for managing your site's files. Once the File Manager is open, you'll see your website's file directory displayed in front of you. Your files are typically found in the public HTML folder. This is the default directory where all your website files reside, unless you've specifically redirected them elsewhere. It serves as your main work area for uploading or editing your site's data. Take some time navigating through the folder structure if you're unfamiliar. It's always good to orient yourself with the layout. If you need to make changes to your website or upload new content, this is where it happens. Be cautious as you proceed, especially while making edits to important files. Always consider backing up files before making significant changes to prevent accidental loss of data. And there you have it, a simple and concise way to access and manage your website files through Hostinger's hPanel. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're effectively overseeing your website content with ease.